How to enable Peek and Fire in PubG Mobile. If you want to enable Peek and Fire in PubG Mobile, simply launch the PubG Mobile app. Then you can tap on this arrow icon from the bottom right corner of the screen, and from here what you want to do is, from the top right, you can just tap on this gear icon that says Settings. From Settings, go to the second option that says Controls. From Controls, from the top left, go to the option called Advanced Controls. Now under Advanced Controls, you can actually see various different options. You want to simply search for the Peek and Fire option. So just scroll down until you find that particular option. And when you find it, you can choose to enable or disable that particular option in this case. And that way you can enable Peek and Fire in PubG Mobile. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in our next video.